Miracle recipe to relieve your back, joints, and legs pain. Back and joint pain are one of the main reasons that people seek medical treatment. They can be caused by overdoing it physically, but they can also be caused by certain traumas and diseases. Most of the time, these aches and pains are not severe and can be conquered with rest, over-the-counter medication, and special exercises. However, when these aches and pains occur regularly, they can be a sign of a chronic disease, such as arthritis. The aches and pains can become worse over time. If this happens, they could limit our mobility and affect our daily lives. To prevent that from occurring, it is important to live a healthy lifestyle and follow a wholesome diet full of nutrients that your bones and joints need to be strong. The principal ingredient in these recipes is gelatin. Gelatin contains something called collagen, which can strengthen your body. Gelatin helps your joint and back pain because it is made of mostly protein. It contains some mineral salts and water, as well. This mixture helps to make collagen and reduce swelling in your veins and muscles. Gelatin also has amino acids, which are called proline and glycine. These fancy-sounding acids help to build muscles and strengthen your joints. Gelatin increases your metabolism and helps with digestion. It also strengthens the cartilage in your body and prevents serious injuries. Collagen is another reason why gelatin is extremely beneficial in strengthening the joints and muscles of the heart, improving metabolism, increasing mental capacity, and avoiding the emergence of bone issues such as arthritis and osteoporosis. In this recipe, we will use colorless, flavorless gelatins, because the colored gelatins normally use dyes that add toxins to our bodies. Ingredients: gelatin powder, cold water. Instruction: measure 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder and mix it together with a 1/4 cup of cold water. Stir the gelatin and water mixture. Leave the gelatin and water solution to sit overnight on the counter. Do not put the mixture into your fridge. Drink the mixture in the morning before breakfast. You can make the mixture taste better by adding in your own flavor supplement. This might be juice, honey, or yogurt. Follow this recipe every day for a month. It's said that drinking gelatin can improve your current condition and prevent your osteoarthritis from worsening. The second recipe helps in strengthening of joints and muscles, increasing mental capacity, and avoiding the emergence of bone issues such as arthritis and osteoporosis. This recipe contains a high amount of vitamin C that helps in the prevention of several bone illnesses and also has anti-inflammatory properties. This recipe also contains manganese, which is also rich in collagen, that helps the bones and assists in the breaking down of fat and carbohydrates. It also works to absorb calcium and regulates the blood sugar. Ingredients: 250 milliliters of water, 2 cups of chopped pineapple, 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of orange juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 5 g of powdered gelatin. Instructions: boil the water and add the oatmeal in it and stir continuously. Leave it to cool down properly. Now take pineapple, gelatin, orange juice, and cinnamon in a blender and blend them nicely. After that, mix in the oatmeal and blend it again. Now drink this mixture immediately. Try this recipe and let us know if you receive relief or not by visiting our comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So keep on watching more videos to get the best natural home remedies.